Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you.
Oh, it's no bother at all. How can I help?
I'm a little lost. I'm looking for the nearest bank. Can you help me?
The nearest bank. Do you need a specific bank or is any bank okay?
Any bank is fine. I just need to use an ATM to get some cash.
Ah, I see. Okay. The easiest one to find is on Main Street. It's not far from here.
That's great. How do I get to Main Street?
So, you see the street we're on? Go straight down the street for 2 blocks. You will see a big red post office.
Okay, so I go straight for 2 blocks until I see a red post office.
Exactly. At the post office, you need to turn left.
Turn left at the post office. Got it. What's next?
After you turn left, just walk for 1 more block. The bank is on the corner on your right side.
On my right side.
That's right. It's a big blue building. It's right across from a bakery. You can probably smell the red. You really can't miss it.
Okay, let me repeat that. Go straight for 2 blocks to the post office. Turn left. Walk 1 more block, and the bank is on the right, across from a bakery.
Perfect. You've got it.
Is it a long walk?
Not at all. It will only take you about 5 minutes.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. You've been very kind.
You're very welcome. I'm happy to help. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.